Hey everyone, back again today to show you another tutorial on something I learned just now. I was fiddling around with a ruler and a knife, as you do, and I figured out how to make a ruler crossbow. This is a rubber band off of a frog toy I won at the fair. Yeah, earlier in my life I wasn't the easiest on my toys. Kinda snapped it. But either way. Has 3 holes, little hole for a pencil, and yeah, whatever. Anyways, so I've already made it, and it's like almost impossible to take the string out at this point, so I'm just gonna show you how I made it, like just step by step from just this ruler. First off, what you gotta do is take out your knife or whatever, poke a hole about half an inch, like half an inch down or whatever, like right here. A wooden ruler is better because it creates this little crack here. Then you can just push it and then put the rubber band or whatever you're using in. You can probably even use a little string or whatever, but it's probably not going to work that great unless you use a rubber band because it has that tension. So, yeah, I'm not going to cut these off. These are just funny, like nice little ornaments. But anyways, so you do it on both sides. Then you try to go to the center and then poke a bigger hole. You'll need your pencil for size, which I launched it across the room. So just get the pencil you want to shoot. Round pencils are probably better. Then you get a file after, well, you have to poke the hole in with a knife probably. Then file, just go around it with a file. And you got to be careful, or else you'll probably snap the ruler, but you just got to be careful, basically. Always be careful with knives, by the way. I definitely had adult supervision while I was at the kitchen table alone. Anyways, so then you just pull the crack open a little bit. You probably can't see it, but then you try to slide your rubber band or whatever you're putting in, like into the hole, and then it'll just snap into place basically. And then it'll probably never come out again. Then you just got to make sure your pencil doesn't have too much tension when it goes in the hole, and then just pull back and fire. Anyways, yeah, that's just a short tutorial on how to make a ruler bow. So, hope you all enjoyed watching this short video. 12 days till Christmas. Christmas tree still going good. Tried to make my bed since last time. I'm not too good at making the bed. My hair looks a bit bad too. But anyways, thank all you for watching. See you next time.